Hello everyone, welcome back to this tutorial. In the last tutorial, we have introduced a little bit to the CSS flex, and this tutorial I spent some minutes to specific to this flexbox with some demonstration in the graphically. Okay, so this is a HTML file of boxes containers, which contains two boxes, box 1 and box 2. And this is the CSS file for each box and the box containers. So now suppose we are going to grow this from the parent box of boxes container to 1000 pixel, and then we have 300 pixels left to be allocated to each box, which is box 1 and box 2. Then the funnel boxes, the funnel size of box 1 and box 2 will be determined by this formula. Flex basics plus free space times the ratio of each boxes of their flex color. Okay, so it's easy to understand, right? Then the next is flex shrink. Okay, suppose we are going to now shrink to 607 pixels. Now that we have some spaces that we need to shrink. How to get these spaces from each boxes? It's also determined by this ratio. And now this time it's box flex shrink of box 1 and box 2 of their ratio. So this is the funnel size of box 1 and box 2. I hope you got the idea, and I hope that it's much easier to understand than the previous introduction. Or maybe you want to combine the two. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.